Hello sweet friends and crafters, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I will be sharing the October 2024 release of Scrapdiva design dies. There are lots of fun dies in this release, and I will have links to the dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. They are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra when you use them, but they do help me and my channel. You can also use Carol10 at checkout. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and look at the dies. The first one is called the Fantasy Flower. There are 3 sizes in this die set, and I will be playing with this and probably will have a tutorial on putting these flowers together. The largest one is, let's see about how wide it is, about 1 3/4 inches wide. The medium is 1.5, and of course the small is a 1 inch. Okay. The next die we have is the Victorian Frame. This one is 3 1/4 inches wide, and it's about 2 1/4 inches. So 3 1/4 inches long by about 2 1/4 inches wide, and you get several pieces to layer. So you get this fancy piece that can layer onto this so that this color will show through your frame. So I will show these dies in more detail when I have projects for you. All right, next we have the Door Tag Small, and this one measures 3 inches tall, and I think I already measured this one, but I think it's 3 inches by 1 3/4, but let me see. Yeah, by 1 3/4 inches wide, and it's a layering die, and it's a little door with windows and such, so super cute. Next, we have Thankful Words number 2, and we have the word grateful, and I love the font on these, and it also has a backing. We also have thankful and blessed. Like I said, when I do my projects, I will share more details with these dies. These are 5 1/4 inches long, and they're about 1 1/4 to 1 3/8 inches wide. Next, we have the Fall Stamp Set. As you can see here, this stamp set says, "Hello Pumpkin, pumpkin spice everything, grateful, fall vibes, autumn vibes, welcome fall, sweater weather, blessed, hello fall, and farm fresh pumpkins." That is so cute. So you get 10 in the stamp set, and they are about 1 3/4 inches wide by, some of them are 1 inch, some are 3/4 of an inch. They're about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch wide. Let me see what this one is. This one here is 1 3/8. Looks like 1 3/8. So this was a little bit bigger because of the peas hanging down there. All right, next we have this really cute die. This is called the Pumpkin Mini Album number 2. And as you can see here, you get the stem for your pumpkin, and this looks like the face and some spiders. So I'll be sharing with this with you pretty soon. Super, super cute. And this measures 5 and, let's see, let's make sure we get it right. 5 3/8 inches wide, and at the tallest point, it's 5 1/2. So like I said, when I have projects, I will share more details with the dies. Next, we have the Acorn Mini Album. That's the back of it. It says hello right there. And as you can see, it comes with lots of little leaves to decorate it. And this one is 7 inches. 7 inches tall with the stem. And at the widest point, it is 5 inches. Super cute. Nice for the fall. So again, I'll share more details with the dies when I do my project. This one right here is called the Shaker Bow Set number 1. And you can see you get 2 bows in this die set. The biggest one measures, let's see, I always have my ruler wrong here. This one measures 3 3/4 by about 3 1/8. That's the large one, and the smaller one is 3 1/8 by, let's see, 2 5/8. Really cute. Like I said, I'll show more details when I do my projects. I did not get a chance to do any projects. We had a hurricane a week ago Thursday, and we did not know if our trip was going to be canceled or not. We had a lot of down limbs and some tree stumps in our yard, but no damage to our house. And we still had our trip. Our trip still went on Saturday. And we just got home, and now we are getting ready for another hurricane, which will be here Wednesday and Thursday, I guess. Hopefully we don't have to evacuate. Excuse me. They are going to have the biggest evacuation from Florida that they've had since from 2017 with Irma. Hopefully we don't have to evacuate. We were supposed to have a house in Orlando for the Columbus Day weekend, but it's in Orlando. I'm not sure we're going to make that or not. So anyway, we'll see what happens. And my BFF is coming from Connecticut on Wednesday, and I'm not even sure if she's going to make it that day or not, because we might be in a mess again. So anyway, that's that. And we have Memorydex Pocket Set. So here you see the Memorydex card. How cute is that? And this looks like it's a flap that goes over that. And this is the little pocket. This is going to be fun to make. You know I like Memorydex cards, so super cute. And again, I will share more details on that when I do my project. This one here is a Hedgehog mini album. Now, I can't wait to make this because I have a digital paper set that has lots of hedgehogs in it. So that is going to be perfect for this little guy. And again, I will show more details of this when I put it together. And this is 5 5/8 inches tall by 5 3/4 inches wide. So it's good size. Next, we have the Acorn Shaker Set. And we have 3 different size acorns in this set. The large one is 2 1/4 by 3. The medium is about, let's see if I can do it here. We can do it here. 2 3/4 by 2. And the small one is right here. It's about it looks like 2 inches with the stem by 1 5/8. Super cute. That's that one. That's the Acorn Shaker Set. Next, we have the Fall Jelly Tote, and this has little acorns cut in it and little acorns to decorate it. And I will share more with this die set with you when I do my project. This is approximately 6 1/8 inches wide, and with the handle is 5 1/4. Next, we have the double layer rosette. You can see that right there. And then here is the other. So I can't wait to play with this and put this together. Not exactly sure. this looks like this matches with this. We'll see how it goes once I cut it out and assemble it. And you get 2, and one of them is 2 1/8, and the other one is 1 1/4. So you get 2 different sizes on that one. Next is the door tag medium. So this is like the small one, and this one is a medium set. This one is 1 5/8 inches tall by 2 1/4 inches wide. Very cute. It looks like that you fold this over and make it so it opens up. That's really cute. I like that. And then we have the door tag large, and this one is 4 1/4 by, let's see here, about 2 5/8 inches wide. And you get all the little pieces to decorate your little door. Next we have this one here. It looks like it has leaves behind here to help decorate. And this is the A2 card box add-on branches. This is really nice. I like this. So I can't wait to play with that. This measures 4 5/8 by 5 7/8. And last but not least, we have this cutie patootie. You can see his little jack-o'-lantern face. This is the pumpkin. And this is a 3D pumpkin shaker bag. You get little leaves and these little things that you put on the side of your bag for your handle. Very, very cute. And this measures 5, it looks like 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. So that is my video today. So before I go, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? For all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So I should be back, hopefully, in the next few days with some projects for you. It's going to depend on loss of power and whatever else goes on. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next craft video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.